If you're looking for a premium hair styling tool that combines cutting-edge technology with healthier styling, the Dyson Airwrap i.d. multi-styler deserves serious attention. Winner of the Allure Best of Beauty Award, this intelligent styling system introduces Bluetooth connectivity, personalized styling profiles, and Dyson's signature no-heat damage technology. Designed specifically for straight and wavy hair, the Airwrap i.d. promises salon-quality curls, waves, smooth styles, and fast drying, all from a single device. The first thing you'll notice about the Dyson Airwrap i.d. is its sleek, premium construction. Finished in an elegant ceramic pink colorway and built using aluminum, ceramic, and durable polycarbonate materials, the device feels luxurious from the moment you unbox it. It's lightweight, well-balanced, and comfortable to hold, making longer styling sessions much less tiring than using traditional hair dryers and styling tools. At the heart of the Airwrap i.d. is Dyson's powerful digital motor V9. Spinning it up to an incredible 110,000 revolutions per minute, this motor generates enough air pressure to create the famous coanda effect. Instead of wrapping hair around a hot curling iron, powerful airflow gently attracts and wraps hair around the barrel automatically. This innovative approach creates beautiful curls and waves while dramatically reducing exposure to damaging heat. One of the biggest highlights of the Airwrap i.d. is its 6-in-1 versatility. Rather than cluttering your vanity with multiple styling tools, this single device allows you to dry, curl, wave, smooth, shape, and volumize your hair. Whether you're preparing for work, a wedding, or a night out, the Airwrap can adapt to virtually any hairstyle you want to create. Perhaps the most exciting upgrade is the Bluetooth connectivity. At first glance, connecting a hair styling tool to your smartphone may sound unnecessary, but Dyson has implemented it in a genuinely useful way. After pairing the Airwrap i.d. with the My Dyson app, you're asked 6 simple questions about your hair type, length, and styling goals. Based on your answers, the app creates a personalized styling profile that automatically adjusts heat, airflow, and styling sequences for optimal results. Even more impressive, the Airwrap remembers your preferred settings. Once you've customized your wrap, styling time, and cold shot finishing sequence, those preferences are stored inside the device itself. That means every future styling session becomes faster, easier, and more consistent, giving you salon-quality curls at the touch of a button. Another major advantage is Dyson's commitment to hair health. Traditional curling irons and flat irons often reach temperatures that can permanently damage the hair cuticle. The Airwrap i.d. takes a completely different approach. Its intelligent heat control measures airflow temperature over 40 times every second, ensuring temperatures remain below 302 degrees Fahrenheit 150 degrees Celsius. This helps preserve your hair's natural shine, reduce breakage, and prevent long-term heat damage. Performance during drying is equally impressive. Although rated at 1,300 watts, the efficient digital motor V9 produces powerful airflow that dries hair surprisingly quickly. Unlike many styling tools that require partially dried hair before use, the Airwrap efficiently removes moisture while preparing your hair for styling in one seamless process. The Airwrap offers 3 airflow speeds, allowing users to choose gentle airflow for fine hair or maximum airflow for faster drying. It also includes 3 heat settings to accommodate different hair types and styling needs. Once your hairstyle is complete, the cold shot instantly switches to cool air, helping lock curls and waves into place for longer-lasting results. The included attachments further enhance the Airwrap's versatility. Switching between curling barrels, smoothing brushes, and drying attachments is quick and secure thanks to Dyson's magnetic attachment system. Each accessory is carefully engineered to maximize airflow performance while remaining gentle on the hair. One area where the Airwrap truly shines is user experience. Unlike traditional curling irons that require wrapping hair manually, the coanda airflow automatically attracts sections of hair around the barrel. While there is a slight learning curve during the first few uses, most users quickly master the technique and appreciate how effortless styling becomes. One enthusiastic user shared that they love the Airwrap, praising its lightweight design and incredible versatility. They explained that it smooths hair beautifully when desired, creates excellent curls, adds volume to naturally fine hair, and even cuts drying time in half compared to their regular hairdryer. Although they acknowledged the premium price, they believed it would likely be the last hairdryer they ever need to purchase. Another reviewer admitted they were initially skeptical about the Bluetooth features, believing smartphone connectivity was unnecessary for a hairstyling tool. However, after using the Airwrap i.d, they completely changed their opinion. They found the My Dyson app surprisingly helpful, providing personalized guidance while automatically adjusting airflow and heat settings. The reviewer also praised how quickly the Airwrap dried soaking wet hair, reducing drying time to approximately 6 minutes. They described the Airwrap i.d as a true game changer and concluded that its convenience, performance, and intelligent features fully justify the investment. Of course, there are a few considerations before purchasing. The biggest drawback remains the price. The Dyson Airwrap i.d costs significantly more than conventional hair dryers or styling tools, making it a luxury purchase rather than an everyday appliance. Additionally, new users may require several practice sessions before mastering the coanda curling technique. However, once familiar with the styling process, most users report consistently excellent results. Overall, the Dyson Airwrap i.d stands out as one of the smartest and most innovative hair styling tools available today. Its combination of Bluetooth personalization, intelligent heat control, multiple styling attachments, fast drying performance, and healthy styling technology makes it much more than just another hairdryer. The Dyson Airwrap i.d multi-styler successfully blends premium engineering with intelligent software to create an exceptional styling experience. From personalized app-controlled settings and one-touch styling to fast-drying, versatile attachments, and no heat damage, it offers convenience and performance that few competitors can match. While the initial investment is substantial, the ability to replace multiple styling tools with one beautifully engineered device makes it an excellent value for anyone who styles their hair regularly. If you want healthier hair, salon-quality results, and the latest in beauty technology, the Dyson Airwrap i.d is one of the best premium hair styling tools you can buy today.